heart of the lush Amazon rainforest, where sunlight filters through the dense canopy in dazzling beams, and the air is alive with the symphony of countless creatures, there exists a remarkable bird whose vibrant plumage and striking beauty have captivated the imagination of all who behold it, the Scarlet Macaw. Today, our team, Gursimran Kaur, Avni Chopra, Babuv, and Ashwin Kaur from Grade 5T invites you to journey with us into the world of Scarlet Macaw. Let us explore their habitat, understand their behaviors, and appreciate the incredible ways in which they contribute to the vibrant tapestry of life in the rainforest. Through this project, we hope to share not only the beauty of these extraordinary birds, but also the importance of conserving the delicate environments they call home. Long ago, the indigenous tribes of the Amazon believed that these magnificent parrots were the spirits of the forest, messengers from the gods and keepers of ancient wisdom. Their feathers, a dazzling mix of crimson, yellow and blue, were said to hold the secrets of the jungle's deepest mysteries. Every morning as the mist lifted from the forest floor, the scarlet macaws would take to the sky in pairs, their calls echoing through the treetops like joyous laughter. With wings outstretched, they painted the sky with streaks of vivid color, a breathtaking sight that filled the hearts of all who witnessed it with awe and wonder. These birds are more than just a spectacle of nature's beauty. They are essential to the health of their ecosystem, playing a crucial role in seed dispersal and the maintenance of the forest's biodiversity. Their intelligence and social nature make them one of the most fascinating creatures to study as they navigate their complex lives with remarkable skill and grace. The scarlet macaw is a large parrot measuring about 81 cm in length with a wingspan that can reach up to 1 meter. Its plumage is predominantly bright red with blue wings and tail feathers and a yellow band on the upper wings. They also have a strong curved beak that is adapted for cracking nuts and seeds. Scarlet macaws are native to the rainforests of Central and South America, from Mexico to Brazil and Peru. They thrive in humid, tropical environments typically found in lowland rainforests and along rivers. Scarlet macaws have a varied diet that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, and leaves. They are known to eat unripe fruits and seeds, which are often toxic to other animals. Their strong beaks allow them to crack open hard nuts and seeds, playing a critical role in their diet. Scarlet macaws are highly vocal birds, using a range of squawks and screams to communicate. These calls are often used to establish territory, signal alarm, and maintain contact with flock members. Scarlet macaws are social creatures, often seen flying in pairs or small flocks. They form strong pair bonds that can last for life. These birds are known for their playful and inquisitive nature. Scarlet macaws are ecologically very important. As frugivores, scarlet macaws play a vital role in seed dispersal. By consuming fruits and exerting the seeds in different locations, they contribute to forest regeneration and plant diversity. Natural predators of scarlet macaws include large birds of prey, snakes, and mammals that can raid nests. Scarlet macaws are facing the threat of extinction due to several key factors. Deforestation. Large areas of tropical rainforest, the natural habitat of scarlet macaws, are being cleared for agriculture, logging, and human settlement. This leads to the loss of nesting sites and food resources. Fragmentation. Even when some forest areas are left intact, fragmentation can isolate populations, make it harder for macaws to find mates, and maintain genetic diversity. Illegal wildlife trade. Pet trade. Scarlet macaws are highly sought after in the illegal pet trade due to their striking appearance and intelligence. Poaching of wild macaws for sale as pets severely depletes their populations. Smuggling. The illegal trade often involves smuggling, which can result in high mortality rates for captured birds due to poor handling and transport conditions. Hunting and poaching. Feathers and meat. In some regions, scarlet macaws are hunted for their feathers, which are used in traditional ceremonies and crafts, or for their meat. Egg collection. Collecting eggs from nets further reduces the number of hatchlings that can grow into adult macaws. Climate change. Habitat alteration. Changes in temperature and weather patterns can alter the availability of food and suitable nesting sites. Extreme weather. Increased frequency of extreme weather events like storms can destroy nests and food resources. Disease. Exposure to new pathogens. Enroachment by humans can induce new diseases to which scarlet macaws have no natural immunity. Pet trade. Captured macaws may be exposed to diseases during handling and transport, which can be transmitted to wild populations if the birds are released or escape. Human encroachment. Agriculture and urbanization. Expansion of farmland and urban areas encroaches on the natural habitats of scarlet macaws, leading to conflicts and further habitat loss. Infrastructure development. Roads, dams, and other infrastructure projects can disrupt migration patterns and fragment habitats. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List, the total scarlet macaw population size is around 20,000 to 50,000. Several countries throughout Central and South America have listed these species under endangered species protection. Governments and various organizations are implementing several measures to protect scarlet macaws from extinction. Some key initiatives and actions being taken are legal protection, national laws. Many countries within the scarlet macaw range have enacted laws that protect them from hunting, capture, and trade. For example, Brazil has stringent laws against wildlife trafficking. Habitat conservation. Protected areas. Governments have established national parks, wildlife reserves, and protected areas to conserve the natural habitats of scarlet macaws. For examples, Costa Rica's Corcovado National Park is a critical habitat for the species. Reforestation projects. Efforts to restore degraded habitats through reforestation and afforestation are being undertaken. Anti-poaching efforts. Wildlife enforcement. Governments have strengthened wildlife enforcement agencies to combat poaching and illegal trade. This includes increasing patrols, improving surveillance, and conducting raids on illegal wildlife traders. Research and monitoring. Scientific research. Governments support research on scarlet macaws to better understand their ecology, behavior, and threats. This information is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. Monitoring programs. Continuous monitoring of scarlet macaw populations and their habitats helps track the success of conservation efforts and detect any emerging threats. Community engagement and education. local community involvement. Governments and NGOs are working with local communities to promote conservation efforts. This includes providing education on the importance of scarlet macaws and involving communities in conservation projects. Ecotourism. Promoting ecotourism as an alternative source of income from local communities helps reduce dependence on activities that harm wildlife. Tourists can visit protected areas to see scarlet macaws, providing financial support for conservation. In the end, we would say together we can make a difference. Let's take action today to protect the scarlet macaw and the vibrant ecosystems they inhabit.